Hi guys, Yulia here. So I am going away today for about a week. So before I leave, I decided to do this garden tour because I'm afraid to miss some things that are blooming and beautiful. So I'm just going to take you around really quickly. My plane leaves this afternoon. It's in the morning right now, so I just packed, so this is like the last thing I thought I would do. But anyway, I thought I will just show you what's happening in the garden. So I will start at the kitchen door, and the elephant ear are doing amazing. They tripled in size. Now these are Luna Red hibiscus, and the maroon color on these are amazing. Look at this. And so this one is actually a Rose of Sharon. Beautiful, just gorgeous color right here. And I don't normally shoot videos in the morning, so I did not realize just what I was missing and how beautiful this light was right here. Like, look at this. Look at this light. Isn't that amazing? This is so pretty. This is Myrtle Folly, blooming again. It took a little break, needed a little fertilizer. Check out the dew on the lamb's ear. Oh my word. Look at this. Oh, it's so pretty. Looks so silver. Joe Pye weed is almost at its peak. I just wanted you to see like the flowers on it. And the border continues to bloom. It's just, it never ends. Just like I said, whenever I think it's done, it's just never ceases to amaze me. This little area is very pretty. Look at the echinopsis and a little bee on it. Now this hibiscus has been my favorite for a long time. Also starting to bloom here. Oh, look at that. More flowers, of course. And I decided to put the flower tower in here. Just looks gorgeous. So here we are walking to the vegetable garden. And of course, after I installed the drip irrigation, it wouldn't stop raining. That's just, you know, how it is. I planted some star jasmine on this arbor, and it's already started to creep up. It's gorgeous flowers. But we are getting tomatoes every day, like by 2 handfuls of the cherries and the regular tomatoes, and now the heirlooms are starting to come in. Look at these. I just love, the uglier the tomato, the tastier it is. Look at that. Oh, this is a perfect heirloom tomato right here. And I get so many cucumbers too. So the cucumber starts over here and it just goes all the way over there. And you know, those little cukes, they just hang and then I collect them. But I am very pleased with the vegetable garden. I didn't think it was going to be sufficient light, but there is no problem whatsoever. So look at these hot peppers. My husband loves to make sauce. So, you know, we are doing great here. And I actually love the view from here of the arbor and the woodland garden. Just beautiful. Okay, so this little walkway here, I adore, and the light is kind of weird right now, but I have a video of this pot when I put it together, and this hibiscus right here, this is cherry cheesecake, and just such a great performer. This is kind of like a shady location. It still does really well, blooms reliably with no problem, and this pot is doing great. I think the smoke bush grew by like a foot already. And this little walkway I just love. And I did miss these lilies. They're about 7 feet tall, and I will post a photo of what they looked like when they were blooming. But they were gorgeous. I still have some cleomis here. Now clethra is starting to bloom, and this is like one of the most fragrant shrubs. Again, native. You know how I feel about native shrubs. Beautiful color. Some roses are still blooming. And the little pond, I just wanted to show you quickly. We had some water lilies. Oh, sorry for my shadow. Some water lilies are starting to open. Look at that. Isn't that pretty? Oh, look at the reflection. Just so magical. And the fishies. Hi, fishies. And the last but not least is the flower garden. It looks a little messy right now because I've yet to stake some of things here, but it is beautiful. It's almost as I imagined it. Not quite, but almost. Needs a little work. Check out the sunflower. It's called a mammoth, so I think it's going to be about 7 feet tall. So I'm waiting for that one to bloom. Isn't this beautiful? Let me just go in, show you some flowers up close. The Rebecca's World, Cosmos. Just love this color here. So pretty. Oh, there's always a bee on this white swan echinacea. Hello. So that's about it. I'll see you guys next week, unless I find a way to use internet, because where I'm going there's no internet, unless there's a way. I don't know. We'll find out. I'll see you next time. Thanks.